Good morning. Please block room 305. The aircon is broken. No guests can stay there.
Officer, I will block it now.
No VIP coming soon. Please prepare room 305.
Mom, I blocked that room. The supervisor told me not to use it.
I thought the aircon would be fixed today.
This is not good. We always confusing instruction.
Yes, Mom. Sometimes you tell guests wrong info.
We need clear system. From now on, all rooms must be just written. We will not give verbal, only instructions.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, we cleaned the rooms yesterday, but no one thanked us. We feel unsafe.
You all did a good job. Guests like the clean rooms.
We should take housekeeping more.
In busy days, we work extra, but don't take super. You're right. I'm sorry. Housekeeping is very important. We will give small rewards from during busy days, like free meals or small gift, and we will say thank you every day.
Sir, why does Mark always get the morning shift? Morning shift is the same.
I think he worked past the morning.
We also work hard. We also want a chance.
Chef must be here, not take breaks.
I understand, ma'am. Our fix is schedule.
We will use rotating schedule for everyone gets morning, afternoon, and night shifts.
Thank you, Mom.
I asked for towels 2 hours ago. No one brought them.
I'm very sorry, sir. I will check now.
Mom, we don't have towels. No one gave us today's desk.
This hotel is not organized.
I'm sorry, sir. We will fix this.
System. We just this.
This is why we have problems. Starting today, we will write all guest requests. We will check all the supplies, and we will review all the supplies every week.
Okay, I hope service improves.
Today, we learn new things. We talk clearly, and we must be fair. We must also check supplies, and we will help each other.
I will communicate later and refer.
Thank you for listening.
We will follow the new system.
I hope everything's better next time.
We will make Saturday dinner.